Hello, welcome back, kids. So, today we will be understanding the concept of equivalent ratios. So, what is an equivalent ratio and how do we get the equivalent ratio? So, first of all, let's try this example. So, what is the ratio of cats to the dogs? The ratio of the cats to the dogs will be 3 ratio 5 because we are having 3 cats for 5 dogs. It means if I take 6 cats, how many dogs will be there? There will be 10 dogs. This thing is same as if I multiply my ratio, that is 3 ratio 5, with the 2. So if I multiply both the terms of the ratio with the same number, like I'm doing here, 3 times 2 and 5 times 2, I will get 6 ratio 10. Moreover, there is also another way to get the equivalent ratio, and that's a division. I can also do the reverse thing. So, um, if I'm having 6 ratio 10, I can divide both the terms of the ratio with the 2. Then I will get 3 ratio 5. It means 6 ratio 10 is equivalent to 3 ratio 5. Thank you.